Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, we're in Macau and we're in somewhere kind of cool. It's called Casa Forte, which is like, Forte is like strong, like the strong house. Kind of cool because this has a nice kind of canyon feel. It's near San Lorenzo. So in this particular video, I'm going to be starting out with these guys playing some games, and I'm going to blur their faces out of request, and then we're going to walk through this tiny little alley in the dark and get up to San Lorenzo. But I also want to share it from San Lorenzo as well, which is a beautiful church in this area. And I'll talk more about that too, and the historical significance of this area. So I'm gonna walk up and now you can look back down on the street. Pretty cool. Okay, and you're probably wondering where it is. So the map is behind me as well. And this is this is actually one of my, I wouldn't say my favorite, but pretty close to my favorite area of the city. Anything around the San Lorenzo, I just really like it. Could be my favorite, could be, yeah, might be. I mean, check that out. You gotta love that. Okay, anyways, let's get into it. Macau, Casa Forte. Pew. Oh,
okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. Face no face from.
Oh, no face. Okay, for everybody.
No.
Oh, for you.
Okay. You don't say okay.
Oh, okay. Blur.
Yeah.
No face. Okay.
Okay.
So you
You're
can.
so hot. You're so many hot.
Yeah, I always show Macau. So blur the face. No face. Okay. So they're playing here.
Macau, okay?
Macau, I love Macau. Yeah.
Beautiful.
I love it. Yeah.
Oh, you like Macau?
I do. So we're gonna start here, and then we're gonna give you some background of where we are a little bit. But we're kind of in these little back alleys, so that's called Rua do Barzarino, and we're gonna go up the hill a little bit. I just want to give you a little bit of an idea of where we're at. So we have down here is kind of a some nice little patios down here, and then we're going to be going, I'll try not to get them in the video, but we're going to be going up this way, which is Rua de Casa Forte. So stay tuned, and then we're going to go up to this church up here, and that's going to be our video. And it's kind of cool lighting, so stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to leave these guys, and we're going to keep on walking through the streets of Macau, and we're going to show you more of the city. We're going to go up that little alley. So yeah, it's kind of a nice part of the nice time of the evening, actually. Oh, and actually we also have Guan Yin statues, and also a few other ones in there too. Tootie Gong and Tootie. Okay. So let's just go down our street. So we're gonna go up it, and then we'll blur out their faces, and we're gonna go up towards Casa Forte. Right there. So we'll blur out their faces because I don't know. It's so beautiful. No, this right here is beautiful. It's amazing. This style of housing is it's kind of throughout this area. Yeah, it's really pretty. Especially that. Okay, so we're gonna go continue going up our street. Yeah, if you know those guys on the corner, I'll blur out their face, of course. And if somebody wants to show the video and just kind of say, oh, that was kind of a cool video. And if you buy something at their shop, that'd be even better. Support their local business, of course. So these are some markets, including this American one. This is American goods, so Coca-Cola. Okay. So straight ahead is the church. It's St. Lazarus Church. Go up that way. So this street is called Casa Forte, like strong fort. And it basically goes down the hill from St. Lazarus Church. So there's St. Lazarus, straight ahead. That's the street, Casa Forte. And I'm just going to come across and film from the other side. So that's this beautiful street with a nice balcony of nice, cool looking buildings right there. Then we're going to go down slightly. So we're kind of at the base of the street and we have St. Lazarus Church straight ahead. Just kind of go up. Then you can see the church right there. The lights are just coming on. Looks really nice. And Casa Forte. Actually called a patio. Oh, so this is the patio. And then the other one is the hua. So we're going to walk around to St. Lazarus Church. And then we're going to end our video. Casa Forte. And so Casa Forte Street is right at the base of St. Lazarus. So we're going to end the street in front of St. Lazarus. I'm going to walk around the corner and up the stairs. And then that will be the end of our video. Here we go. And there's a sign right there. That sign says that whoever views the ocean from here, you know, waiting for their loved ones, they'll have a safe return, because from this space here you could overlook the ocean and you'd be able to see when people came in historically. But now they've built these buildings, so it's a little bit harder to see. But anyways, our target street was Casa Forte. Strong fort with St. Lazarus. And the church is like right there. And it's a Sunday evening. So I guess what we should do is end our video looking at one of these angels here. There we go. And that's the St. Lazarus Church. And there's another angel on this side. And then we're going to go back to do full disclosure on our target street by going over here by the Stations of the Cross, and another reference of Jesus. These are the Stations of the Cross right here. The Ascension, among others. I was right at the end of the video and I was just about to look over Casa Forte Street, which is right there. So that was our target street that we just did. That was the and we come back out. And then we're gonna end it at our church. So hope you like that one. Lots of Catholic references in Macau, of course. And Buddhist references as well. And the ocean would be on the other side of these buildings. And then the beautiful church right there. And we'll end it for our street.
Toma cuidado la movimento.